Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Top Navigator, and today I'm going to talk about the Bitcoin and Ethereum again because this is, as you can see, the last couple of weeks the cryptocurrency market is very volatile, and we will take a look to see that right now we should say goodbye to Bitcoin and forget about it, or is it a time that we are going to buy again? So in order to answer this question, I'm going to go to the basic fundamental analysis so that we can see what going on the crypto market. And then after that, we will be using a technical analysis to analyze the chart so that we can see where they are heading to. Okay, so as you know that the volatility has been hit up on the cryptocurrency market for the last couple of weeks. So in the past year, the cryptocurrency have grow a lot, and then that attract a lot of amateur and professional investor. They're looking for a quick profit, and many of them they are able to run the upswing and get out and make money. But many of the FOMO, fear of missing out, they came in late, and then when the crypto going down, they are panic selling. That can they trigger a lot of big gain and big loss for those that came late. So as you can see that on May 12, the Bitcoin fell about 12% after Elon Musk. He no longer accepted Bitcoin as payment for the Tesla. He's citing concern over the cryptocurrency massive carbon footprint that can cause environmental impact. And after that, the big crash came on Wednesday after Chinese officials signaled a crackdown on crypto yield to the country. The central bank issued a warning to Chinese financial institutions and business not to accept the digital currency as payment or offer services using them. So, and on Thursday, last week again, the Federal Reserve Chairman Powell, he warned about the potential risk of cryptocurrency they pose to the financial system. And Powell also said that the central bank would publish a paper this summer that will explore the implication of the U.S. government developing a digital currency for its own. So that's another thing they will add the file on the rope there. And then the Treasury Department also said that any transfer of digital currency value over 10 or more, $10,000 or more must be reported to the IRS. So after that news come out, the Bitcoin will drop more than 50% from the top all-time high. So that you can see that a lot of things that can cause the cryptocurrency. So it's very volatile for the last couple of weeks. They dropped to 30,000, they bounce back up, but I don't think that they are done yet. So what is the future of the cryptocurrency? So in order to answer this question, I'm going to be using a technical analysis because sometimes people they just listen to the news only, so that they just listen to whatever outside the people tell them to do, so everybody rush to buy, but they don't know the technical analysis that can cause a big problem for them. So in order to do that, I'm going to analyze a couple charts here so that we can see. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to using a grayscale Bitcoin trust, the symbol GBTC. This is a digital currency investment product that allow the individual investor can buy and sell in their own brokerage account. So the symbol GBTC. So if you look at the chart here, so after they put it all-time high here, and then the market they put up one more time here, but they create a sell zone here. So the institution they try to sell on the way up, but a lot of amateur investors that come in, they don't know this one is a sell zone. So they drop below the 50-day moving average, they pull back up, and a lot of good news come out, like Cathy Wood, they say that the Bitcoin will go to 500,000. So, and then Elon Musk and a bunch of people, Mark Cuban and those guys, Kevin Ollie, and they all jump in and then they talk about good news about Bitcoin, and you see that all the YouTube, everybody say that this one will go to the moon. But in reality, this one had already dropped, they come back, and then they build a bear flag here. So after the bear flag, they drop below bear flag, they give you another chance to get out. If you don't get out, they come right back down. So right now at this moment here, based on technical analysis, so this one here they hit all-time here, so they are still in the downside. So based on technical analysis, so this one they continue, they have some bow here, but I don't think it's done yet, because after tsunami you see that the ocean will shake up a little bit. Okay, so they wait for the dust to settle here, and then before they can go out. So the technical support level here at the Y zone around here, because this one here, they have a couple gap here, they need to come back and fill out those gap. That's when they gap up. So on the way down, they will try to go back here, and those gap here, they should be a level at a strong support. They hold them up. At this moment, the momentum is still negative, so not hurry to jump in yet. Let them come down to the buy zone before you can start buying back up again. Overall trend in the future is still bullish, but right now it's still bearish. So that's why you have to be careful if you want to go long right away. And the next chart that I'm going to show you is the Bitcoin chart. That's the symbol BTCUSD. So this one here is the same thing. So after they drop here, and then they push it back up to the sell zone, and then they create a bear flag, and then the momentum shift to the outside. So they drop back right into the $30,000, which is the pivot support, and they bow back up a little bit, but I don't think it's done yet. They still have room to put it down. So this is the gap here. Okay, it is the potential of strong support, which is they going to be able to put it back down again. So this is the area that we will watch out when they get to this level, and we'll see what they're going to do here, and then we can go from there. All right, and there was one more chart, that the Ethereum. Ethereum is also a little bit stronger compared to the Bitcoin, because the value is still smaller, so the people still hold up there. So at this moment, you can see that they pull back down, and then they push it back up, but they try to bow back up. But the strong level of support, it should be in this area here. So that's why you have to be a little bit cautious on the upside here. Wait for them to pull back and stabilize and complete the retracement to this level before you can jump in and start buying and the dip, and then put it up to the upside. Okay, so that's what I have for you, the information update for the Bitcoin and Ethereum. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will be notified in the future. Okay, so now let me do the market update, and then we can see any potential trade for the next couple of days of the week. Okay. All right. Okay. So now, first of all, let's take a look on the ETH. So that's the SP 500. So the ETH future right now, at this moment, okay, the market is still hold up to the uptrend. So the momentum is still the uptrend. I think the market is still have some more room here. Today they hit to the sell zone. They pull back a little bit, but yet a little pull back. Momentum is still the uptrend. So tomorrow, let's see if they're able to punch through this level here and continue to the upside. And look at the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq is also bullish. After they found a support here, they push it back up, and today they pull back a little bit, but yet a small pullback. Overall trend is still try to find a way to go up and test the all-time high here again. The Russell 2000 also be able to break out, but and then they losing momentum. They pull it back up to retest. If they can hold up at this level, they will find a way to continue to put it to the upside again. And the Dow it also try to put it back up also, so it should come back so they can test the all-time high here again. All right, so let's see if the market is still continue to be able to hold up. We need to clear up the sell zone here before further go upside. So the market is still a little bit choppy, but overall trend is still bullish. So we will stick with the upside until they show us they change the direction. And oil it also pull back, but they found a support, and then they try to put it back up again. They have been testing the sell zone here like 3-4 times already. So if they can clear that area here, oil can gain more demand and put it to the upside in the future. At the other one, it's gold is still doing very well after the breakdown a downtrend line here, and the momentum is still in the upside. So they try to head into the next level of resistance up there. And I think that all I have for you on the index. Now, if you look at the couple sector of semiconductor, it's still doing very well. That's the two key components for the technology, that is semiconductor and the technology. So the technology is also try to put it back up and get up momentum and continue to put to the upside. In order for the market to go higher, technology and the semiconductor and then especially software, those kind of stuff, they need to put it up to the upside. Okay, so if you look at the okay, you know that trading is very risky business. It's not a get rich quick scheme. You need to learn how to analyze and read the chart with the right technical analysis and understand the market psychology so that you will know when to get in and get out. And then you need to be in a community, so each member will get support and mentor every day and get guiding every morning in our live trading room, so that you can all make some extra daily income, and you can add any ticker symbol for the swing trade and get answer to confirm your thinking before you take in a trade. So this is the time for you to invest in your education so that you can survive in this volatile market. So a couple of stocks that I'm looking at right now, it's still very strong. Okay, so like GDX. Okay, so those stocks are still another gold stock a breakout and continue to put it to the upside, and a couple of stocks they be able to bow back from the bottom. So those stocks are bottom fishing here. That's like Disney. Okay, and next one is Boeing. It also break out and then try to find a way to put it back up. If they can clear this area here, it will be more bullish in the future. And a couple of stocks here at bottom fishing here. So after they pull back, now they try to find a way to put it back up. Another one is it's very strong today. It debuted a nice cup of handle, breakout this morning in our live trading room. So our member will be able to port this stock here. It's nice cup with handle breakout here. So the very strong momentum. Looks like they have more potential to go up the future. CVLT, that's another one that also breakout with another cup of handle. Try to put to the upside. WAT, which is another one that still rumble to the upside there. And a couple medical stock is still doing well here. This one here after the pullback and strong momentum to put it upside. Let's see if they can clear this one here, and then it will continue to put to the upside. So besides this stock, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Wall Street Premium Watchlist, where we handpick about 5 stocks every week and analyze in detail with entry, stop loss, and target so that you can follow. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please click the thumb up like button below, and good luck to you, and thank you for watching.